Okay, perfect, okay. So service. You already know a lot of things about survey. I mean normal survey that we receive. You complete anything, any certification, any exam. At the end you always see a survey. If not, time and again, our team, I mean LMS and everything every people keep on sending, or maybe I would say your company, keep on sending a lot of survey emails. That okay? How is it going? How did you like the training? How did you like this? You know anything, I mean related to anything, that is a survey. But it's not always about rating. Sorry, it's saying that okay. How the training was. Sometimes you not only tell how the training was, you rated. Right, like, okay, I can tell you there will be. Dennis, please write about what? How was how you felt, how was your experience? Second thing, I will give you some option, like I will say, please rate my training from 1 to 5 okay, or 2 excellent. Third thing it can be. It is only one way. Was that good or bad? Just like that, getting me, okay, okay, so service in order to create something you have to decide for that, how big and how relevant you want to create it like this. What is that? The rating, the questionnaire, and everything. Okay, we'll take you there. Before that, let me show you the part that I'm trying to tell you, but what I'm trying to show you. That's why we need to first decide, what kind of survey do we want? Because if you send your employees a long survey, like 10 pages, they get bored, yes, and they don't reply on it. Yeah, I mean, we generally do ignore it. But in order to make this the make most of it, we need to make our service crispy and clear. Even if I just give you 1 or 2 questions, that could be enough to get all the yes. So you'll see that there are 4 levels of evaluation model, and this is very important. 1 is the reaction. Reaction means what learners thought about and felt about the thing. Okay, learning. What did you learn from the training? Sometimes you say okay. Like I gave you, let's say, SFP training, and I then give you 5 options that you was that helpful to learn about. SFP was that helpful to learn about. Current learning scenarios, things like that. Knowledge or capabilities. Yes. How did it help you to learn and to understand the current scenario? Extent of behavior and capability, of the improvement and the effect on the business. This is the most important. Why? What is it helping? I can pay you, I can invest a lot of money in it, but is it helping me to get to my point? Is it giving me the exact result? That is helpful. So these are the models that we have now. You can see that later. Yeah, you will see, there are these items service, which we can assign a service assigned to an item. So we can assign online course and so be okay, fantastic. So what? I say that why we need to first define these. Results. Here you can see first of all what we have, the rating scale. How do you rate our training? How do you rate the training you go there when went to the place? Now, this is not only about the training facility. Sometime. What happens? They ask about the facilities as well. That where you went for a training, the facilities building, cleanliness, everything was good or not. The environment was good or not, things like that also, right? So this is simple follow. I mean, you can give a number of rating in order to get a survey done. Clear? Okay, yes, this is one. So command link, or sales we call it. A training program. You can skip this. I was just testing my knowledge, now testing. Okay. Yes, this course. I mean the questionnaire one. Okay, first one was our numbering 1 survey. How would you rate it? Rating scale. Another one is user satisfaction. So general feedback, testing material feedback and instructor feedback. So you say general, how was the training? Training material, whatever was given to you, whatever source was provided you, whatever was that effective or not. And instructor feedback. How was the instructor? These kind of user satisfaction feedbacks are also there, which comes under survey. Then come this question type which I was mentioning. There can be one question type rating skills. Use a question type of rating when you want to get quantitative results. You can pick any question or give multiple questions. Answer questions. I mean, there can be one question and you can give multiple answers, which are the correct ones. Then comes on. Open-ended ones means you will have the access to write anything that you want. Okay, yes, now multi-instructor. Let's say we had a training for 5. There were 2 or 3 people in. Different structures. We will have that, wherein we can create a questionnaire. This is very important, a very simple and important one which we will see, and just like that, we create a service. Here we have multiple choice. Again localization. So creating a survey. Let's go and see that. Create a survey with successful learning. Navigate to content survey. This is where we will see. So we go to our admin. Here you will see survey. Okay, yes, click on it. And here you already have some surveys which are created. Okay, so you can take any one of them as example. Otherwise you can create your own. Like what I did, I have created a code feedback that is called onboarding feedback.